Psalm 131, a song of ascents of David. O Lord, my heart is not lifted up, my eyes are not raised too high. I do not occupy myself with things too great and too marvelous for me, but I have calmed and quieted my soul, like a weaned child with its mother. Like a weaned child is my soul within me. O Israel, hope in the Lord from this time forth and forevermore. Blessed smallness, the safety of humility. The psalmist here reflects honestly on his refusal to give in to pride or anxiety. He is not dreaming about how to become famous or powerful or renowned. His attitude is marked instead by humble sanity. My heart is not lifted up, my eyes are not raised too high. I do not occupy myself with things too great and too marvelous for me. Instead, he has calmed and quieted his soul, like a small child secure and docile and silent in the care of his mother. This is true security. The Bible is replete with assurances that it is those who embrace this healthy quietness of soul to whom God draws near. After all, what does such a posture communicate? It declares to the Lord that one is trusting in Him, not in one's own plans or cleverness or ambitions. As the psalm concludes, to bear such an attitude is to hope in the Lord. What in your life is pulling you away from saying, I have calmed and quieted my soul? Repent, be restored, return to the Lord, hope in Him once more.